Didi Cagas and Congressman Fred Goya, nahangyo ang mga minority congressmen sa Congress na tabang sa mga taong na kinahanglan sa atong lalawigan. Nalipayon tang tanan.
Unsa pa dako ni nga tabang ko and unsa pa ang mga need karon sa mga nalinugan?
Kanang numero, that's not important. Ang importante kasing-kasing. Paras gugma na. Isa pagdato pa na imutrato og di na magigugma niyo ay hinungdan na. Gugma. Love, compassion.
Kani ko dako tabang na ni sa mga nalinugan.
Dako kayo.
Kinahanglan sa
Dako kayo because maprolong magini problema ha. Kaya ang problema nato gyud inikahurot sa pagkaon dia by December ang mo take over ang mga local governments. Mo nagdiretso na muna sa mga sa lungsod. Sila na bahala. But another problem after this is pagpabalay. Pag-acquire o butangan sa balay o pagpabalay. Those are problems na dapat tabangan kay dako ang problema na.
I do not want to answer that question, but I would just like to express my thanks and appreciation for my colleagues in Congress after I delivered that privilege speech. Whether it's big or not, that is not important to us. What is important, we receive that amount. So it's the heart of my colleagues who came here na parang nakaiyak. Kaiyak talaga.
Kumbaga gikan sa ilang kaugalingong bulsa
Yes.
Congressman no nga ilang gituno sa mga nalinugan.
This is really something no, for Davao del Sur. And this is really a big help because just this morning I have another activities reaching out the 10th city of the province because there are lots of houses that really collapse, and this is the most problematic for the province, for the provincial government in how to help these people. On the part of the provincial government headed by Governor Cagas, they now and then they have a meeting with the head of office, and they were able to come out with a certain amount that will be given to those who is really a victim. Kay I am sad to say nga nagid uban pasaway na they are not even a victim, but they just want to avail of what is going to be availed. So I am addressing this to them, that we have to support each other, help each other at this time of crisis, and those our constituent who need our help will be the first one to avail of the help from the national, from the province, and even I'm also entertaining to get foreign funding, because if we are going to depend on the provincial government, I'm so sorry, but we cannot do it alone.
I love Davao del Sur, mahanyag na paraiso. Sa katawhan ning lalawigan, ikaw ang garbo. Mag-ibay, magsadya kita sa kalambuan. Sa uluhon ang bulawanong katuigan. I love Davao del Sur. Panahon ang kasaysayan mabulukon, puno sa paglaom ang katawhan masanli.